Next one is, wait. Wala sa Zara. Apakaganda nitong Zara. Okay, next. Ay, pa-pop sleeves. Ay, ang buong gabi. Branded by Sports Girl. Iba din talaga ang Sports Girl, mga madam. Soft linen, size 12 on tag. Okay, pa-heart neckline. Smacking ang likod. Again, this is large. Ang ganda-ganda, Diyos ko. Okay. Ay, Diyos ko. Code puff. 890 puff. 890 code is puff. Size large yun is smacking pa. Large semi-XL, I think it will fit. Okay. Veronica, wait lang ha. Katarina, Babanto. Veronica, may yours na to. Madam Katharina, yours. Ang ganda, ma'am. New minor to, no? Madam Katarina, pasend ako ng details, ma'am, ha? Name, address, mobile number, and then down payment, ma'am, ha? Wait namin, ma'am. Thank you so much. Kaisel, sis, pa-flex ng puff na floral na orange sa left mo. Sige, ma'am. Sige, Kaisel, wait, ha? DL maganda, Ada. Ay, shit. Ano yung maganda? Ito. Ada, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 yours na to si maganda. Maganda, 990 mahal. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 yours na to, ha? Mine, Puff. Dayday, yours na si Puff. Bakla. Ganda. Dayday, yours na to. Ay, diniin. Si Novian pala. Novian, yours na to. 990. Madam Novian, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 yours na to. Madam Susan, wala pa akong Madam Susan, meaning. Okay, madam. Ano to? Novian, yours na to si Puff, ha? Okay, another Puff, Madam Kiesel, ito, Ay, size large ata ito, ma'am. Tusa. Branded by Tusa, size large, ma'am. Size large din, zipper back, tapos garterize yung kanyang, sleeves. Ang ganda. Zipper back, another Puff, size large, mga madam, ha? Another Puff, size large, super duper pretty. Branded by Tusa, ayan. Code ako pretty, 890. Pretty, 890. Meron pong linen na dress, Madam Novi, this one. Size large po, size 12 na linen, branded by Ali. Pa-code na lang ako dito, ma'am, linen, 890 din, size large. Tapos full smock pa to.